Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Mazda CX-7 the whole generation from year 2006 to year 2012, and you have Sunroof, Moonroof guys, and you're trying to find the fuse because your doesn't open or close, we'll show you where the fuse could be located, guys. Okay, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on Mazda CX-7 because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below, guys. Let us know what you think, if the video was helpful, or if you want to see any certain repair, if you have any problems with your vehicle. So let's go ahead, start on it, and show you where you can find the fuse for the sunroof, also known as moonroof, on your Mazda CX-7. On some models, guys, you may have two different fuses for the sunroof. One, will be on certain models, the other one will be for different models. So we'll guys show you which two of them it is. Let's start with the first one and then we'll go to the second one. So you need to go ahead, open the hood of your Mazda CX-7, and now guys, let me show you where it's located. This is your fuse box next to your car battery. So right here now, you can see there is one clip on the top that you need to press forward. Then you need to get the box down and push forward as well. And it comes out. Now the fuse usually that we'll be looking at, guys, let me get something to point. Will be, guys, this is let me see now, first, second, third fuse, in that row. Third fuse right here. On some vehicles I notice it's 20 amp, on some vehicles it's the fuse for the power seat on the passenger side. It really depends, guys. So it could be, guys, any of those, but on most of the Mazda CX-7 right here, if you have sunroof, that's where your sunroof fuse will be located. This one right here. And usually, guys, if you want to remove it, to replace it or test it, usually you can see if it's burnt through the little window, but you cannot tell for sure. And you grab two, preferably plastic prying tools. I use screwdrivers, and very gently, guys, without breaking anything, just wiggle it out. It came out. And now let me show you, this is, guys, the fuse. So how you test those if you cannot tell for sure if it's burnt or not? I get, guys, a voltmeter, this voltmeter right here, and I'm going to set it to resistance. If you're guys on the market for a good meter, check this thing out, guys. It's definitely a good investment. It has the true RMS, very accurate reader, and super easy to use. So if the fuse is good, when I touch the left and the right side of the fuse, I should get a 0 on the screen. You'll say that we have communication between the left and the right side. And this is a good fuse. So just to show you guys where it's located, and make sure you push it all the way in. Also, guys, on some cars, it's not just the fuse right here. We have one more fuse that could be for the sunroof, moonroof. This 20 amp fuse right here, that could be the one for them. So check this one as well, guys, because this could be the fuse for the sunroof, moonroof. Check those if they're burnt. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please, guys, hit that subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.